The British Army has successfully completed the acceptance of its new Archer 6x6 self-propelled howitzers, marking a significant advancement in its artillery capabilities. Defense Equipment and Support, DE&S, has accepted an additional 10 Archer artillery systems along with 13 ammunition resupply vehicles from Sweden. These additions bring the total number of Archers in the British Army to 14. This acquisition follows a rapid procurement process initiated last year in response to the UK's commitment to providing 32 AS-90 self-propelled guns to Ukraine. DE&S and the UK Army demonstrated remarkable agility, negotiating the initial deal with Sweden in just 2 months. This swift procurement underscores DE&S' capability to quickly fulfill the Army's requirements. The Archer howitzer, an interim replacement for the AS-90s, is based on the renowned Bofors FH-77 field howitzer. It features an automated 155mm 52 caliber gun mounted on a 6x6 articulated hauler, designed for rapid deployment with a firing range exceeding 50 kilometers. The system is fully automated, allowing loading, laying, and firing to be managed from inside the armored cabin, ensuring full protection for the crew. Training for the new howitzers is well underway. The British Army has recently conducted live firing tests in Sweden and has commenced non-firing training and testing on UK soil. Colonel Stu Nasse, Assistant Head Military Capability Delivery in Army HQ, emphasized the significance of this milestone. This acceptance marks the completion of the initial acquisition of the 14 Archers and is a significant milestone. The essential, but challenging, work to turn this into a full capability continues at pace with proactive collaboration between the Royal Artillery, Army HQ, and DE&S. Archer is an exciting project to be a part of and will deliver a world-class capability in record time. The Archer systems have been upgraded to UK specifications by BAE Bofors and GD Mission Systems, acquired through a government-to-government agreement with the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration. These enhancements ensure that the British Army is equipped with a highly capable and mobile artillery system. Mark Bunyan, FIM's team leader at DE&S, highlighted the advantages of the Archer, striking the balance between power and mobility by featuring long-range precision, fast deployment time, and a protected environment for the crew. The Archer provides the British Army with a highly capable artillery system to ensure we minimize any capability gap between gifting our AS-90s and acquiring our long-term Boxer-based artillery solution. Collaboration between the UK and Sweden remains strong, with ongoing preparations for further joint activities, including Exercise Dynamic Front in Finland. Colonel Stefan Schuberg, Artillery Inspector of the Swedish Armed Forces, noted the cooperation. The UK and Sweden are working together with Archer regarding support and best use of the system. The Archer is a wheeled self-propelled howitzer 155mm designed and manufactured jointly by the companies Bofors and BAE Systems. The first technical studies of the Archer were launched in 1995. Under contract to the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration, FMV, the now BAE Systems Global Combat Systems, previously BAE Systems Bofors, fitted a 155mm FH-77 artillery system on the rear of a modified VME-25C 6x6 all-terrain Volvo truck chassis. The deployment time of Archer has been reduced from 10 minutes to only 30 seconds compared to a standard self-propelled howitzer. The first driving and firing rig was completed late in 1995 and, following company trials, was delivered to the Swedish Army for 6 months of troop trials. The first operational systems are expected to be delivered in October 2011 and production will continue over the following 2 years. The Archer system offers a completely new dimension within precision engagement in large areas. All parts of the system are vital for the end product, especially the combination of and cooperation between systems, which is unique compared to existing artillery. Each gun system will be staffed by 3 to 4 operators, which is a major improvement from its forerunner, which was manned by a crew consisting of 10 to 12 operators. The Archer self-propelled howitzer adds essential speed, mobility, and intense rates of fire to support ground troops. The 6x6 howitzer needs less than 30 seconds from the time the operators receive a call for fire to stop the vehicle, position for action, and fire the first round. And then less than 30 seconds after the mission is accomplished, Archer is on the move again. In October 2020, BAE Systems proposed its Archer 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzer in response to the U.S. Army's request for proposals for a 155mm wheeled gun system. On August 29, 2022, Swedish Foreign Affairs Minister Ann Linde announced that Sweden was evaluating the possibility of providing Ukraine with Archer 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzers. On January 10, 2023, Sweden confirmed that the Archer, a truck-mounted 155mm self-propelled howitzer, will be supplied to Ukraine. On January 19, 2023, the Swedish Prime Minister announced the supply of 12 Archer 155mm self-propelled howitzers to Ukraine. On March 16, 2023, the British Ministry of Defence announced the acquisition of Archer howitzers to replace the AS-90 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzers donated to Ukraine. On October 6, 2003, the British Ministry of Defence announced the delivery of the first Archer howitzers to the British Army. The 19th Regiment Royal Artillery, the Scottish Gunners, based in Larkhill, Wiltshire, will be the first to receive the howitzer. On February 15, 2024, the British Army announced that British soldiers had conducted the first live firing exercise with Archer howitzers in Sweden.